Use Epsom salt instead of table salt with RIT dye. Two primary reasons. One, it works. It works just as good as table salt. Number two, it's safe on most plants. I have taken the dye water from a dye project and poured it on plants and used it to water dry areas of my lawn and pots. Just don't get it anywhere where it's a concern for the dye to splash on something like painted surfaces or your walls or your house. Just somewhere out in the corner of your property, or a pot that you know the dye water isn't going to affect anything around it, and the plants have no problem with it. Also, when you rinse the fabric out in your bucket, you have dye water in that, and as it becomes more and more diluted, you don't have to put it down the sink. You can use that same water, which would have been salty if you used table salt and killed plants. That water is now okay for plants. In fact, Epsom salt is beneficial for a lot of plants. So you're not wasting water and just pouring it down the sink, using it for something practical like watering plants and grass. This is how much I use. Of course, you don't have to use Dr. Teal's. I just happen to have a bag of that. About a cup and a half. Just going to be using half a bottle of dye, what I'm about to do. I'm not going to show you that. There's plenty of videos of people dyeing clothes. But I will say, though, that half a bottle, I'm just going to do a t-shirt. When you are mixing the salt in, make sure that it is dissolved. Use, long gloves. Mix it up so that the salt is dissolved. And then when you are putting the fabric in, don't just put it in there with a paddle or a stick and stir it around. Get in there with your left hands and really work it good. So stir it around really good. Lift it up, turn it inside out. Make sure that that fabric is completely immersed and soaked right away as quickly as possible. Do not let it sit. When you put it in the dye water, move it around and squish it and just really manipulate it very, very well. And also, take the bottle, put it on top of the t-shirt, and it will keep it submerged. So put something that's non-metallic, something plastic and a little heavy, or glass, to keep whatever you are dyeing submerged completely in the dye water. Don't let any part of it come up above the surface of the water. Make sure that it is all completely submerged. I leave mine submerged for a day. I know it says less than that, but I just walk away from it. I don't want to risk it. The longer you leave it soaked, the better it is, in my opinion, but I don't let it go more than a day.